Okay, so today we will be learning how to make the graphical user interface in Unity Pro. So normally we need to control digital I/O. That means input and outputs as well as analog input and outputs. If you know that how to do, then you can make your customized GUI. So for that, just for testing, I will make one small block. This is for analog. So I am taking the scaling block. So here the input, I'll give the name test input. Then the parameter, I'll write test parameter. So it is okay. And for the output, I'll write test output. It is also real. So to make the uh, operator interface, so we'll go to a new screen and we'll give the name of test screen. So here we'll take a slider. Say this is the slider. Better first we will set it. So we'll go to the elementary variable. Then we will see where is that scaling. So this is the test input and test output. And so we will find out that is my scaling 0. Okay, so we will find where is that our test parameter. So this is our test parameter. So here input minimum, say that is starting from 0, and input maximum it will go to say 1000, and I want to map it. It is output minimum is 0 and output maximum is say 200. It is linearly scaled. So in case of analog IO, so here we will be giving the uh, addressing. Okay, we will be giving the addressing. Simple. So we will be giving in the, say here we are writing test input. In place of that we will give the simple address and we will define the minimum and maximum. Okay, similarly in output also we will define like that. Instead of that variable we will put the analog output like that. So that part here it is done. Now I am going to the test screen. You select it, double click on it, select and double click. So here you set the input. So that is my, so that is, where is that test input? So let us write it, so that it was my test input. So you write test input, it's a real. So if you see that in the test input, that value will be varying from 0 to 1000. So I have set it 0 to 1000. You apply it. Okay, now I will go to one rectangle. You select it, I've selected it, double click it. Then you go to here, it's an animated object. Here again we see that is my test output. So here you write test output. Okay, so animation type, as I told you, it should be bar graph indicator. So it is up down like this. So if you see there, the maximum value will be mapped as 200. So I have given 200, and after 170 it will give a red alert. So I have defined like this, and this things I will fill with one color, say it is pink color. So now that is the screen, and you can, here you can put the physical value also. All these things you can do. Now we need to build it. Okay, it is built. Now connect the PLC. Then transfer the project to PLC. It's run. Now you click on that, that is the enable write variable. Now if you increase it, you see that bar graph is going high, and if I go maximum, it will, you see, as I told, after 170 it will become red, because it will give the high alert. You see, after 170 automatically it is becoming, giving the high alert. Okay, so in this way we can make the graphical user interface or the operator interface for for analog IO. Okay, so now another example we will do. So here I have used a simple block. It is real to int. So it is boolean function, boolean variable. So once this is high, then this block will transfer 1 to y, and once it is, sorry, it will transfer in when it is uh, open, when it is open, then it will transfer 0, and when it will close, this will transfer 1 to y. So this just we want to see in the screen. So we will take one push button. So here this is the push button. So you select the push button, right click on it, go to property, then here that my variable was x, it is this one, boolean variable. So that's all. And here you can tell send, or here you can write send. Okay, apply. Okay, and now I will make a simple circle like this, then select that, right click, go to property, and when it is off I am giving the red color. Okay, then you go to the animation. This is the my variable was y. So here we will select when this is equal to 0. When it is equal to 0, it will give that red color. Now simply copy this and paste. Okay, now you right click on that and go to property. When it is on, I am changing the color to green. Then you go to animation, and this you make to 1. So after that you just superimpose both the things. It is like this. Okay, now I am connecting the PLC. Now I am transferring that project from PC to PLC. It is transferring. So this transfer is over. Now if I click here, this will become, now it is off. So if I click, if you see, it is on, off, on, off. So these are the very simple GUI you can make in Unity Pro. Thank you so much.